Hey everyone, welcome to Chill and Code. I'm Jagadish, and today we'll be talking about what a virtual machine is and how it has changed the way we deploy the applications. Imagine you have a company that needs to run several applications. For example, a web server, a database server, and an email server. Without using virtual machine, you would need separate physical servers for each application because each application needs a different OS or a different dependencies. So if you see the architecture over here, the OS is installed on the top of hardware and the applications are running on the top of OS. So what are the disadvantages of this scenario? First of all, it is inefficient. Each server might use only a fraction of its entire resources, which leads to the wastage of CPU, memory, and storage. For example, if a server with 16 GB of RAM running an application that requires only 4 GB of RAM, then the rest 12 GB sits idle. Second, managing physical servers is a bit costly and complex because you need to handle hardware maintenance, upgrades, and any other potential failures of each other servers separately. Then came virtual machines into the scenario. With virtual machines, you can run multiple virtual servers on a single physical server. Each virtual machine acts like a separate physical machine but shares the underlying hardware of single physical server. This is made possible by a piece of software called as hypervisor. We can also call a hypervisor as a virtual machine manager because it is responsible for creating and managing multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. Now, let's see how this changes the setup of our previous example. Instead of running three physical servers, now we run three different virtual machines on a single physical system. One virtual machine for web server, one virtual machine for database server, and one virtual machine for email server. If you observe the architecture of this scenario, we have hypervisor lying on the hardware, and this hypervisor is creating three virtual machines, and on the top of virtual machines we have the OS installed, and then the applications are running on different operating systems. This approach significantly improves the resource utilization. The server's CPU, memory, and storage are now efficiently allocated among the virtual machines, reducing the wastage and improving the performance. Moreover, VMs provide isolation, which means if one VM crashes, it wouldn't affect the other VMs because each VM is running independently, ensuring stability and reliability. So, to sum up, virtual machines have revolutionized application deployment by consolidating multiple servers into one. So, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.